To edit a video in Renderforest, start by visiting the official homepage, renderforest.com. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted with the option to start for free. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose the type of project you want to create. And since you're looking to edit a video, select the Video option. This will take you to a page featuring various templates, which you can browse through to find one that suits your needs. If none of the templates appeal to you, click on the Video Editing option on the left side of the page, and you'll be presented with a range of categories, including options for creating videos. Choose a category that aligns with your project, and then select a template from the available options. Some templates are free, while others are premium, denoted by a crown banner that appears when you hover over them. Once you've chosen a template, select your preferred resolution and aspect ratio, which can be 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. You may also have the option to choose between different styles, such as a light or dark theme. After making your selections, click Create Now to enter the editor. In the editor, you can add media, upload files, and access stock images, footage, text, and audio. To access these features, you'll need to sign in with Google, Facebook, or your email. Once signed in, you can edit your project directly in the browser. When you've completed your edits, click Export to finalize and export your video. This process allows you to easily create and edit videos in Renderforest, all within your browser.